One of the biggest kitchen struggles is simple. There's just never enough space. But organizing your kitchen doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With just a few quick steps, you can turn it into a calm, well-organized space. In this video, I'm sharing 5 easy steps to help you get there. Let's dive in. Step 1. Declutter your space. Before we jump into organizing, the very first step is to create room. And that starts with being honest about what you actually use. Take a moment to go through your cupboards, drawers, and pantry. Ask yourself, do I use this? Will I ever use this? The real secret to a clutter-free kitchen isn't buying more organizers. It's letting go of the items you no longer need, don't use, and realistically never will. Let go of what you don't need. You'll instantly free up space, breathe easier, and make every step that follows so much simpler. Step 2. Sort through your essentials. Along with your usual tools and gadgets, take a quick look at your food items and toss anything that's expired. Then figure out what you actually use day to day and what's just taking up space. Keep the stuff that's helpful and let the rest go. Step 3. Choose stylish and functional organizers. The first must-have for an organized kitchen countertop is the right paper towel holder. This one has a padded base to protect your surfaces and is made of sturdy, painted metal. The quick load design makes it easy to refill with either standard or combo rolls. And the best part is this cute little buddy adds so much personality and fun to my kitchen. Almost everyone who visits asks about it. Food containers are a must for any family, but they can easily end up everywhere. A drawer organizer tray can help keep your containers and lids neatly in place with 32 adjustable pegs, so you can arrange it to fit your space perfectly. The silicone feet prevent slipping, and the extendable base lets you customize the layout. Measuring your drawer or cabinet to make sure it fits. Add the silicone feet and set the tray where you want it. It works not only in drawers, but also on shelves and inside cupboards. After this simple upgrade, my drawer is much more organized and everything is easy to find. Having a few cutting boards for different tasks is helpful, but leaving them loose on the counter isn't the best option. It took me some time to find a holder that was both sturdy and space-saving. This stand has 5 compartments, 2 wider slots and 3 smaller ones, which work perfectly for cutting boards and even baking sheets. It's made from thick iron with a rust-resistant finish, so it feels solid and stays in place. I also added clear gel pads underneath for extra grip to keep it from sliding. Now the space under my cabinet looks much more organized and feels a lot tidier. Step 4. Maximize every inch of your kitchen. The space under the sink is one of the best spots to unlock more storage. Adding cute, practical caddy bins helps keep everything in place while making the space look much nicer. They're perfect for storing cleaning products. The wooden handle makes them easy to grab and move around. The rubber feet protect surfaces. There's a removable divider for organizing smaller items. Now all my cleaning supplies have a proper home, and everything is easy to reach. The caddies are sturdy, stylish, and have a clean, modern look. They're simple to assemble and easy to wipe down too. Are you running out of kitchen counter space? A messy countertop can make the whole kitchen feel cluttered. I found a simple way to keep things a bit more organized. This stackable 2-tier metal basket, and it's been surprisingly handy. The little mats inside help keep fruits from getting bruised. It doesn't require any tools to put together, which I appreciate. I keep vegetables on the bottom and fruit on the top. It's made with rust-resistant iron wire, so it's really solid. The wooden handles make it easy to move around when I'm rearranging things. You can also use the baskets separately if that works better for your daily needs. The vertical design has created so much extra storage compared to before, and it even adds a nice touch of charm to my kitchen while holding the fruit. Step 5. Build a simple daily reset routine. A quick 5 to 10 minute reset keeps your kitchen tidy and prevents clutter from returning. As part of my daily reset, I like to keep little essentials in their place, even something as simple as tissues. I use this cute house-shaped cover because it keeps the counter looking tidy with almost no effort. The hard plastic material makes it super easy to clean. The tissues come out through the little chimney like a puff of smoke, which adds a decorative touch to my home. Removing clean dishes from the dishwasher is the next step in my daily reset routine. Putting everything away right away keeps the sink and counters clear. Next up, clear the counters and do a quick wipe down. Handles, stove knobs, and the table get a fast clean. Putting spices, oils, and everyday items back where they belong is a great daily habit. Straightening up things like Lazy Susan, baskets, jars, and caddies helps keep the kitchen tidy and makes everything easy to find again. Taking out the trash is a must-do daily task. It keeps the kitchen feeling clean and fresh. Doing it every day keeps the space feeling light and ready for the next day. Thanks for watching. Don't let kitchen clutter stress you out. Take charge of your space and enjoy the ease of an organized kitchen. Try these steps today and feel the difference. See you in the next video.